Welcome back, Mr. Rojas here to help you out this time with your yellow belt. Now, our yellow belt is a little bit more challenging than our white belt was because now we're working on quarter notes. Quarter notes only get one beat. So when we want to play our quarter notes, we have to always remember to tap our feet like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And when you tap your feet, make sure that you keep a steady beat. Let's try playing some easy quarter notes on the note B. As a reminder, B is just one finger. Remember to use the word two to separate each of these quarter notes and tap your feet along with me. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, ready, and. Make sure you're tapping your feet and you're saying the word two to separate each of those quarter notes. Let's go over the two new notes that we need to know for our yellow belt. The first note we're going to go over is the note C, and C is played right in the middle. Imagine playing an A, but just lifting up your pointer finger up. Here is your note C. Notice that C is a little bit higher than your last note, B. The next note we have to learn is D. And D is different than all the other notes because now we have to use all of our fingers. So watch my fingers. We use the first three right here, and now the bottom three down here, plus we're using our thumb back here where we had it before. I put those together and it should sound just like this. Now, D might be kind of hard to play because you might be playing some of these side keys right here or some of these back here. Be careful that you're not touching those side keys when you play your D. Go over those brand new notes to help you out with our song. Here is song 27 on page 9, Song of the Fjords. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest. Rest. Here is song number 29, Go for Excellence, on page 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest. 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 Remember that with the fermata, you have to hold the note out a little bit longer than you usually would. And there you have it. Those are the songs you need to work on to get your yellow belt. Remember to practice those songs by reading the music and saying the word two and also tapping your foot along as well too. Remember to learn these songs in sections. For example, take the first two measures and practice first by learning what notes are in there and what rhythms you have to play. Then try playing it. Then take the next two measures and do the same thing until you can play those two sections correctly. Once you've got those two sections down, then put them together so you can play those four measures together. And try doing that with the whole entire song until you get the whole song. This is Band with Mr. Rojas, and I'll see you next time for your orange belt. Happy practicing.